Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. It is still February the 13th, 2018. And by default, I guess I'm becoming the unofficial spokesman for XinFin. And your questions, which I love, and your comments, which I love. Um, so let's start from square one, okay? Hopefully this video will clear up a lot of confusion from a boatload of emails I've got over the weekend, Monday, and today. And I've been in contact with the XinFin powers that be, okay? It's a legit organization. It's not a scam, okay? Um, if you've purchased your XDC tokens from their wallet, right? So last year or January or even as far back as a couple weeks ago, those are in the wallet, okay? And in a couple of weeks, there's going to be a press release from XinFin how to switch the XDC tokens to XDC tokens. And from what I gather from Anna, one of the contact people, that's going to be through Alpha X exchange. So hold tight. Another gentleman sent me an email saying, hey, his first name was Brian. He said, hey, I sent 3 ETH last Friday. Haven't gotten any in my wallet. So I gave him the contact information that's on the XinFin website here, okay? And I've gotten a lot of questions like, how do I get the 30% discount? Well, oh, you know what I noticed this morning? On CoinMarketCap, I guess you can't see it all because of the video recording. On CoinMarketCap, they have an advertisement up here on top, and I'm cutting some of it out, but you can hit contribute now. And that's going to take you to this page, okay? Hit contribute now. Or you can go to the website and buy from here, okay? So this website, the landing page moves every 10 or 15 seconds to there, to there, to there. That's the old one. That's the old one, right? Here we go. Here we go. And then here, 30% bonus. Join now. Join ICO now. And it'll take you back to that page. So if you're wondering how to get the tokens, review this. I guess it's a tutorial. And if you have any questions, go to their page. You can't see it because of the video. Hit the contact. Oh, rats. I'll put 2 emails below for the contact. But yeah, when I bought my tokens last June or July, it was a little slow going because they were so new. And I'm not an official spokesman for them. I just like it. And the more videos I do, the more interest that they're getting. And maybe they're getting a ton of emails from people. I'm not sure. Anyhow, it's a great organization. They're growing. Take a look at their roadmap and milestone markers on the xfin.io website. And I will put the emails below. If you have any questions, email them or let me know and I'll try to answer them. Thanks so much and go XinFin. Bye-bye.